Bogus CIOs in Chinhoyi robbery spree linked to hunt for fugitive politician. The 15th of August 2025, CHINHOYI 7 suspects, including 2 Zimbabwe prisons and correctional services, ZPCS officers, have been arrested in connection with a series of armed robberies in Chinhoyi, carried out under the guise of a security operation to track down fugitive former ZANU-PF Central Committee member Cde Bombshell Geza. The alleged masterminds, Tawanda Marumahoko, 37, and Christopher Gamwi, 43, appeared in Chinhoyi Magistrates Court alongside co-accused Shingara Chipyuv, 26, Elias Makasi, 52, Abel Mangoma, 24, Maxwell Karavina, 42, and Enoch H. Wenger. They face multiple counts of armed robbery and have been remanded in custody pending further proceedings. According to prosecutors, the gang's criminal activities began on the 30th of June 2025 when they dressed in police uniforms, armed themselves with 2 rifles, and stormed a house in Mzari Extension. They allegedly claimed to be part of a joint police and central intelligence organization, CIO, Operation Searching for Geza, who is wanted for allegedly undermining the presidency and inciting public disorder. Once inside, they reportedly tied up occupants Sithabisio Sabanda and Belinda Tira with cable ties, threatened to shoot them, and stole $28,000. In another incident, they allegedly assaulted a victim with a bolt cutter and machete before making off with a Huawei P40 smartphone and $132,000 in cash. The suspects are further accused of targeting several homes in the golf course area of Mzari suburb, where they took cash, laptops, and mobile phones. On the 22nd of July 2025, the group allegedly raided the properties of Charles Mukaramani, Charles Jimu, Innocent Tarwira, and Brighton Kajango in similar fashion. Investigations led to the recovery of several assets believed to have been purchased with the stolen funds, including a Honda Vezel, Toyota Mark X, Toyota Quantum, and a residential stand in Mshumavale, Kadoma. The case has been adjourned to the 25th of August 2025 for further remand. Stay tuned for more crime updates from across Zimbabwe.